Hello and welcome everyone. Today I will be doing an intro to Terra, um, the Terra ecosystem, Luna, and what all that is, how to get started, why you should care to get started. And this will be the first video in a series that will be talking about the Terra ecosystem and how to get started in it. Why do you want to get started with Terra at all? Well, if we look at total value locked, that is the chains with the most value locked, the biggest chains out there, Terra is number two next to Ethereum. So you might already be familiar with Ethereum and using the wallets there. But Terra, which number two at 30 billion TVL, maybe you're not familiar, you're not sure how to get started, what you want, what you need. So, we'll be covering in this first episode of the series the wallets on Terra and a quick overview of all the apps that you can actually use to interact with these wallets once you have these wallets. So, let's get started. Quick intro into what is Terra. Terra is very essentially, if you go to the terra.money website, which is their landing page, programmable money for the internet. So, what is that? Well, you might be familiar already with UST. UST is their algorithmic stablecoin. So, Terra is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoins, which underpin the thriving ecosystem that brings DeFi to the masses. So, how do they bring DeFi to the masses? The whole point is to have algorithmic stablecoins that have no physical backing, rather work with an algorithm to maintain their peg. And you can use these stablecoins across different platforms. You can use them specifically on the Terra blockchain, or you can use them across different chains in order to have some stability in your life with these stablecoins. So let's see, what can you actually do on the Terra ecosystem? Well, there are many apps, and the biggest app that you might have heard of is actually Anchor Protocol. On Anchor Protocol, you can earn 20% interest on your UST. Well, it's closer to 19.5% interest. So if I go to Anchor Protocol here, we can actually see that you'll be earning 19.4, 19.5 interest on your stable coins. And here it is. If we go to the earn side, 19.4. So on the next video in this series, I'll be walking you through how to use Anchor and why, well, you might want to be earning 19% on your stablecoins because it's at the moment the best return you can have on your stablecoins if you're just going to be sidelined in the market. So, what other protocols can you use? You can use Astroport. You can use Terra Station, which is actually their app. It's their wallet. So I'll be covering three different wallets you can use on Terra. Mars Protocol is a money market. Prism is a yield farming app. There's Mirror Protocol where you can actually gain exposure to synthetics. There's many different apps. There's White Whale. There's Pylon, which is a launch pad. There's different yield earning places like Apollo or Spectrum. Jira is a tool I've talked about in the past where you can actually liquidate people. So there's many different things that you can do on Terra. And not only that, but Terra is actually expanding to different chains. So you can actually use a lot of these protocols on different chains. So let's get started with the different wallets. So currently there's actually three different wallets on Terra. Um, you can actually see that if we go over here, Terra Station is the main wallet. This is the most used wallet out there at the moment. And Terra Station actually offers different options for what you can actually do in the wallet, not just uh, what you can have. I have this wonderful article here, which actually shows the difference between the different wallets on Terra. So if we go to the top three wallets on Terra at the moment, which are Terra Station, XDeFi Wallet, and the Leap Wallet, well, what are the main differences? Terra Station has a mobile app, a desktop app, and a browser extension. XDeFi has a browser extension and are working on the mobile app, but the mobile app is not quite released yet. So that's why over here in the little chart, we see they don't have the mobile app. However, the mobile app is coming and should be released imminently. So if you want to just wait for the mobile app on XDeFi, that's an option as well. And Leap Wallet is the newest wallet here, and we'll be covering a little bit of what Leap Wallet offers because it's also very unique. So if we look at all the features these wallets have, when you know in DeFi or in crypto, you want your wallets to have certain functionalities for what you are doing. So in all of the wallets, you have in wallet swaps. What does that mean? Well, if I jump over to Terra Station here and I go to swap, I can actually swap coins directly. I can swap UST into Luna directly within the wallet. I'm not connected to this because I haven't made a wallet here. I have in a different site. I'm just not connected on this browser. So let's hop and actually see some of the other features. So buying crypto with fiat. Right now, all of these wallets offer you an option to buy crypto with fiat directly within the wallet. So that's already very unique. I know MetaMask has an option to buy Ethereum with fiat through MoonPay, but XDeFi and Terra Station, as well as Leap, all offer you options to buy crypto with fiat. They all support Ledger. So what does that mean? If you have a Ledger wallet, a cold storage wallet, you can actually use it in any of these protocol in any of these wallets to connect so that your private keys are safe on your ledger and you don't have to be writing these down and doing extra things. Multi-sig. What is multi-sig? Maybe you don't actually need multi-sig, but if you wanted to say share a wallet with your whole family, for example, usually multi-sigs are more used for DAOs, big organizations where you need approval from many people. A multi-sig is essentially a wallet that has many wallets within it that need to approve transactions. So I can give you very simple examples. Say I have a multi-sig for my family. Then I would be one of the signers of the multi-sig, and then maybe my wife, my parents, and my brother or something would be the other signers of the multi-sig. So then, in order to approve a transaction, everyone would have to sign, or you would need to say, six out of the, or sorry, three out of the five people in this multi-sig have to approve the transaction before they're allowed to go through. So that's where you might want to use a multi-sig, but maybe you don't want to be that complicated and you just keep your normal wallet, which is why you stay with XDeFi and Leap, or still use Terra Station. Luna staking within the wallet. So what does that mean? Well, if we jump again over here, we can go to stake and you can stake your Luna in these validators to earn a commission, to earn right around it's 6% at the moment. So 6% APR from staking your Luna. Um, and that helps secure the network. As we know, proof of stake blockchains use staking in order to secure networks. Then multi-chain. What does this mean? Well, only XDeFi has multi-chain because XDeFi, which is very unique, the wallet over here, allows you to have multiple different chains in one wallet. So you can have Ethereum wallet and the Terra wallet and the Bitcoin wallet all in one UX in one platform, which is XDeFi, and it makes it really easy to connect and have all these wallets in one location so that you can access, even if they're different addresses, you can access all of your wallets within one app. So that's why XDeFi is so unique. Finally, built-in bridge. Terra Station does not have a bridge. However, Leap Wallet and XDeFi do. XDeFi, of course, is already multi-chain, so it makes it as easy as possible for you to say bridge your UST from Ethereum over to Terra or from Terra over to Avalanche. That is why a built-in bridge in this wallet can be so useful. So that helps access a lot more apps because as you can see from here, you can go from Ethereum to Bitcoin to Thorchain to Binance Smart Chain to Polygon. So a built-in bridge really facilitates you jumping between all of these. Then token, what does it mean? Well, does this wallet have their own token? Well, Terra Station Wallet does not have their own token. However, XDeFi does have their own token. And Leap Wallet over here, they also have their own token. They sometimes can pay you with rewards. They can earn fees if you do any of these in wallet actions like swapping or staking or bridging. And those are the ones that maybe can give you those extra rewards depending on how you use the tokens. We're not going to focus too much on the tokenomics of these wallets. We're going to focus a lot more on the usability and how they work. Then multiple wallets. All apps allow you to have multiple wallets within that app. So that's not super unique, but it is useful. Maybe you have a work wallet and a private wallet and different wallets, and you just don't want to be mixing them. So you can definitely have that separately. Finally, stake on Anchor in wallet. As we mentioned, Anchor, you can have that 20%, and Terra Station as well as Leap Wallet allow you to, right from your wallet, if you go over here, you can actually stake. So if I went over here, I could look at my UST and we can see right here, we can stake on Anchor. We can get the Anchor saving protocol yields right within the wallet. We just click on earn and we're able to earn on Anchor directly from within our wallet. Finally, NFT gallery. And I think um, maybe not everyone has NFTs, but maybe a lot of you do want to explore the NFTs on Terra because there's just so much happening in NFTs, not only on Ethereum, but on other chains. So being able to see your NFTs as we can here, for example, from XDeFi in the last image, we were able to see how all our NFTs are displayed, not only from Terra, but as well as um, Ethereum and so on. But on Leap Wallet, we can also track our NFTs really nicely and we can see all our NFT assets within the wallet. We can also do that on Terra Station. If we go over here to NFT Gallery, we would have to add the tokens and then we can actually see all our NFTs tracked right within the wallet. So now that we've compared all of these wallets and what they do, I'm you can have a better idea of what wallet you want. If, for example, you're actually using Ethereum and you want to make sure that just you have a seamless transition from Ethereum to Terra, then maybe XDeFi wallet is what you want because you'd be able to bridge your MetaMask wallet onto XDeFi. So you'd be able to bring it over and then not only can you bring over your MetaMask wallet, but then you can also just bridge within the wallet and it becomes a lot easier to make everything uh, seamlessly interact. So Terra Station is the main wallet right now, and it's the oldest wallet. So I'm actually going to scroll on this article because it breaks down how to start your new wallet. So if we were over here, you go to new wallet. So I have a Terra Station app right here. Let me just double check you guys. Okay, you guys cannot see my wallet, so I will just click new wallet and it should open a tab. So here it's opening a tab for me. And as you can see, I have a new wallet section. So I create a wallet name, hello, and then I create my own password, and then I have to copy my seed phrase. That seed phrase is very important because remember, only you should have access to your seed phrase. When you create a new wallet, it's ideal you write it down on paper, you store it somewhere safe, and you store your password and your seed phrase together. And that is all your money. That is the most important thing in crypto is you taking care of the seed phrase and writing it down and keeping it safe. So the next step, as we clicked on new wallet, you couldn't see this because I did this on my wallet tab that is not visible in the video, but you get this same image, new wallet. You can recover a wallet if you already had a Terra wallet. You would do the same thing on XDeFi to recover a wallet or import a wallet if you wanted to add your Ethereum wallet on XDeFi, for example. And then next, we would go to create that wallet. As we say, it's very important to keep your seed phrase safe and never show it to anyone, ever. The most important thing in crypto, never share your seed phrase with anyone. Doesn't matter if they're support, doesn't matter who they are, never share your seed phrase. Okay, so you saved your seed phrase, then you're going to have to add the 22 words in the correct order, and that guarantees that you have it written correctly. You re-add it later in the second step. And then you have your address right there. You've created a new wallet. Once you have a new wallet, you get this layout of this is the Terra station where you actually have your Luna and your UST and your address at the top. And that's very simple because um, you have a pretty easy layout compared to something like MetaMask, where you have your wallet. You can scan the QR code if you want to send funds to this wallet. And then you can do the same with XDeFi. You can go to create a new wallet right here. You can go to restore or connect hardware. This is where maybe you have a ledger and you want to connect hardware wallet. So I were to go here and I were to click on um, access with ledger. You guys didn't see this, but it was I did it on Terra Station. Access with ledger. We index. We use Bluetooth, for example. We connect, and then the next step is to connect. However, I don't have my ledger with me, so I'm not going to do this right here in front of everyone. But it's a step if you wanted to use your ledger. This is what you would be doing. You would be connecting with Ledger to Terra. Okay. So you will be asked to create your own password. Remember, it's almost the same process with every wallet. If you're creating a completely new wallet, you have to select your password. You have to store your secret phrase, your seed phrase, the most important part of this process, storing it, keeping it safe, verifying your seed phrase, verifying your secret phrase, and naming your wallet. And once that is all set up, on XDeFi, you can actually select what chains do you want to use on XDeFi. Well, I want to activate Avalanche, I want to activate Thorchain, I want to activate Terra, Ethereum, and then you're done. Like that was great. You have a wallet activated, it's ready to go, and you can transfer funds into your wallet. So finally, Leap Wallet, which is the new one. If you like Leap, you have to do the exact same process: create your wallet, save your seed phrase, do your password, and then if you decide, for example, that first you want to start out with Terra Station because it's the original app, and then you want to try out XDeFi, you can always go to Recover Wallet or Import Wallet. And then you would have to copy your seed phrase as we did here. So you went to Recover Wallet, you confirm password, the monomonic phrase, which is the seed phrase, you put it in, and then your wallet is recovered. What does that mean? Well, it's easy to give you your wallet back. So let's go into security. Number of words in the seed phrase. Terra Station has 24, Leap Wallet has 24. XDeFi only gives you 12 words. So it's slightly less safe, but it is still really secure. You just have to make sure you store this. And Terra Station, as well as Leap Wallet, they give you a private key, whereas XDeFi doesn't give you a private key. So in terms of security, you could say XDeFi is slightly less secure, but it is a better front end experience in terms of multi-chain. So we've basically covered all the wallets on Terra Station. And if you guys do have any more questions, in the next video, I'm going to be covering how to bridge funds over and then how to use Anchor. So make sure you stick around and you watch out for that next video so that we can cover um, how you can actually bridge tokens and you can actually get started with everything that is next. Finally, there is a wallet that is coming soon, Falcon Wallet, but we don't know any information. It seems like it's a work in progress. So until we know more, I'm not going to be recommending Falcon Wallet. So far, Leap Wallet on Terra has been audited. It's working directly with Terraform Labs, which are the creators of Terra, as well as XDeFi has also been working directly with them, and Terra Station has also been working directly. It's actually a product of Terraform Labs, so it's audited, it works correctly, and you know you can have your funds safe with these wallets. So thanks again, everyone, for coming. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. We'll do our best to answer. You can always reach out on Twitter, Can Julian I Am, or try out the 7-day trial in the Burb Nest so that we can actually answer all your questions if you have any questions about this. So keep your eyes open for the next video on how to bridge funds to Terra and how to use Anchor Protocol to earn that 20% interest rate, as we can see right here. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.